Good evening, guys. This is Oliver, an important specialist from Zeew, and today we will talk about sub-admins. What are sub-admins? Sub-admins is when you have a platform and you want to grant different privileges for all the users to log into the super admin and manage their daily task. Imagine this, we have 6 people or 7 people working with us. One of them will run the dispatch, one of them will run the operations, one of them will handle the customers. What about other one will only handle the promotions? Here I can set different privilege for each one of them, so I don't have any security breach. What we do, it's very important to go to the marketplace and subscribe in sub-admins here. This is the plugin. After we subscribe, we activate it, and then we find it in business settings, sub-admins. Here you can see my screen. I need to add a new user. I need his name, the phone number, and the email address. And here the email address I'm gonna use to log into the super admin, and the password also. And this is the most important thing. Here I grant the privilege for the user. Here, give all access. If I click here, he will be a super admin. He will have the ability to control everything. But let's say he's only in the customer service, or he's gonna only deal with order and customers. So I only check on those. Okay, let's say he's one of my developers and I want him to configure the mobile application, the colors and everything. I only check here. What about also for the developers? What about I want him to be able to add new restaurants, to turn off the restaurant, to change the menu? Here I will make him responsible for the marketplace as whole. Okay, but search settings, global settings, piling, promotion. And this is also the important thing here, store management. As I said, manage stores, menu item, category, cuisine, add-ons, and subcategories. This is for the data entry. So let's say my user will be an operator regarding the dispatch, the customer, and store management. And he will also be able to control the auto-assign settings. Not all of it, only the assign settings, and add in new cities or locations. Okay, and this is, of course, he will be also to important CSV. This is what? This is how I grant that privilege for each user. If I unclick all of that, let's say I only want him to see the analytics. I only want my user to see the analytics only, not to control any other thing. Here I go to the analytics, and I click and I submit. Now we created a new user. All he has to do, if I go to the important here, I will have a link for my admin backend. This is the super admin. This is my super admin. I make him log from this link and use his credential, the email and the password.